Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you are well. Today I am going to discuss about a very fundamental formula related to the calculus, that is differential calculus. First of all, today's discussions related to main or basic formulas. We need to establish the formula today.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Come on, for the proof this question here, prove that ddx of sin x is equals to cos x by main rule. So this is very fundamental and very important for the student who want to learn calculus. So this is the pillar, you can say. Now since here it is mentioned main rule, so you have to use a specific rule. What is this rule? This is I am writing before going to the solutions. The main rule is nothing. If you want to establish some function, that is maybe f of x, then we have to write down limit h tends to 0 or goes to 0. You can say f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is main formula. This question representing, you have to use this formula. So to solve this question we have to call this fundamental formula. So I am just writing here the solution. F of x is equals to limit f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now I am putting here, this is equation number 1, and from the question, what is it? F of x. So this is f of x because this is given and we have to establish this one. This is not actually given. Given things is this. So write down f of x is equals to, here actually, here f of x is equals to sin x. Here f of x is important. We have taken it from our question. Now we need to find out f of x plus h. So you can write from here f of x plus h. We are just replacing this x by x plus h. So this side where x is present, we have to replace this x also by using x plus h. After getting these two functions, we have to just replace f of x plus h and f of x, here f of x from the 1, then we can write from 1 d dx of sin x is equals to limit h tends to 0 x plus h. Here f of x plus h is equals to sin x plus h minus f of x. What is it? F of x is equals to sin x. So sin x, and here is h. Now come on for the next line. Here d dx of sin x is equals to actually sin, if we think sin this is a minus sin this is b, then sin a minus sin b. It is expressing a formula from the trigonometry. What is this? I am writing here sin a minus sin b is equals to 2 into cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2. So what is a here? A is x plus h and b is x. So sin x plus h minus sin x. By using this formula we can write limit h tends to 0 to cos a, that is x plus h, plus b, that is x, divided by 2, and sin a, that is x plus a's, minus b, that is x, divided by 2. And this a's also have to write. After that, ddx of sine x is equals to, since this is constant, we take it out, a's tends to 0, and it is 2x plus a's, x plus x, 2x plus a's, divided by these 2. Sine this x cancel, a's divided by 2, divided by a's. So here come ddx of sine x is equals to 2 limit a's tends to 0 cos, if we distribute these two among these two terms here, x plus a's divided by 2 sine a's divided by 2. If we write down this a's here, then we can see in this pattern. After that, ddx of sine x is equals to 2 limit a's tends to 0 cos x plus a's divided by 2 limit a's tends to 0 sine a's divided by 2 divided by a's. Here ddx of sine x is equals to 2 limit a's tends to 0 cos x plus a's divided by 2. There is a formula I am just writing here. Limit if x tends to 0, I just want to represent if here x, here, these three position representing same number, and this tends to 0, then we can write down if there is trigonometry, then it is 1. Not necessary this sine or this cot or this sec. Any trigonometric ratio can be expressed this one. Anyways, here sine a is divided by 2. We have to just complete this formula by using here. So we can write here 2. To minimize these 2, we have to put here also a 2. Since a is tends to 0, a is divided by 2 also tends to 0. Therefore, we can write down here a is divided by 2. Since this is our barrier, we can take it out because of this is constant, and here it will. Now I can write limit a is by 2 tends to 0 sine a is by 2 divided by a is by 2. Here a is by 2, here a is by 2, here also a is by 2, and this is tends to 0. So it is 1. After that, ddx of sine x is equals to, this is cancel, limit x tends to 0 cos x plus x divided by 2, and since this is 1, not necessary to write down here 1, and this term is equal to the term we have written here. And now ddx of sine x is equals to, just put the value of a's in replacement of a's here, cos x plus 0 divided by 2. Finally, we can write down ddx of sine x is equals to cos x, which is our desired proof. If you think this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, and stay with us. Thank you very much.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.